Solid-state batteries are quickly becoming one of the most talked-about technologies in the world of energy storage. From electric vehicles to consumer electronics, many experts believe solid-state batteries could completely change how we power our future. But what exactly are solid-state batteries? Why are companies racing to develop them, and are they really close to commercialization? Let's break it all down in simple terms. To understand solid-state batteries, we first need to look at how today's batteries work. Most electric vehicles and smartphones use lithium-ion batteries. These batteries rely on a liquid electrolyte to move lithium ions between the anode and the cathode. While this design has powered massive innovation, it also comes with limitations such as safety risks, limited energy density, and gradual performance degradation over time. This is where solid-state batteries come in. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries replace the liquid electrolyte with a solid material. This single change unlocks several major advantages. First, solid-state batteries are significantly safer. Liquid electrolytes are flammable, which is why battery fires, although rare, can be dangerous. Solid electrolytes are far more stable, reducing the risk of overheating and thermal runaway. Another major benefit of solid-state batteries is higher energy density. In simple terms, this means more energy can be stored in the same amount of space. For electric vehicles, this could translate into longer driving ranges without increasing battery size or weight. Imagine electric cars that can travel hundreds of extra kilometers on a single charge. That's one of the biggest promises of solid-state battery technology. Solid-state batteries also have the potential to charge faster and last longer. Because of their stable structure, they can handle higher voltages and more charging cycles. This means shorter charging times and batteries that degrade more slowly over years of use. For consumers, that could mean phones, laptops, and EVs that stay powerful for much longer. So if solid-state batteries are so promising, why aren't they everywhere already? The biggest challenge lies in manufacturing. Designing solid-state batteries in a lab is one thing, but producing them at scale is a completely different challenge. Solid electrolytes are difficult to manufacture consistently, and maintaining perfect contact between battery layers is extremely complex. Even microscopic defects can reduce performance or cause failure. Cost is another major hurdle. Right now, solid-state batteries are far more expensive to produce than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Specialized materials, precision manufacturing, and low production yields all contribute to high costs. This is why most solid-state batteries are still in the prototype or pilot production stage. Despite these challenges, the industry is reaching what many experts call an inflection point. Major automotive companies, battery manufacturers, and startups are investing billions into solid-state battery research. Companies are experimenting with new solid electrolytes, advanced manufacturing techniques, and hybrid designs that bridge the gap between lithium-ion and fully solid-state systems. Some manufacturers are focusing on semi-solid or quasi-solid batteries as a stepping stone. These designs reduce liquid content while keeping production more practical. Others are investing heavily in dry electrode processing, which could dramatically lower costs and speed up mass production. The race toward commercialization is heating up. While fully solid-state batteries may not dominate the market overnight, many analysts believe the first commercial applications will appear in premium electric vehicles, aerospace, and specialized electronics. Over time, as costs fall and production scales up, solid-state batteries could become the standard across multiple industries. Looking ahead, solid-state batteries represent more than just a better battery. They are a key enabler for cleaner transportation, improved renewable energy storage, and more efficient electronics. If the remaining technical and manufacturing challenges can be solved, solid-state batteries may power the next generation of technology and redefine what we expect from energy storage. The future of batteries is solid, and the transition has already begun.